Hope you're fine. We thank God for the gift of life of today. I'm also happy and I'm enjoying for being alive up to this day. So today's video, I'm gonna show you our kitchen garden. You see, I think some like 2 months has passed. So this is how it looks. Here we have skuma, and also here we have what we call chinsara. They have already peeled up some and some are growing, and here we have another one called morenda. Hope no one gets this, but few will get this. So this is morenda. You see, has grown very well, and we have many things here, many vegetables here. And down here we have this kind of, you see, and the onions there. And also, without forgetting, I have this one. This is sugarcane. Sugarcane. Popo is up there. Let me show you. That's the popo. That's popo. You see, guys. Here we have a nice sugarcane. There can be different colors. You see, different colors. There are many. There are so many. It's too sunny. Let me show you. That's the sun. It's around 10:02 African time. It's African time. You see, guys, I'm very happy. I'm very happy today. You see, I'm very happy. I'm just walking around through this, showing you this vegetable, because very soon, like today is on Friday, maybe next week I'm gonna travel. I'm going to the city, so I will not be showing you this. So I have to show you. I have to show you the way my vegetables has grown. So I'm just doing what I'm traveling very soon. Hi everyone, hope you're fine. I'm also fine here. So it is evening time, taking this break. So as you can see, I'm just walking this our shortcut road. So it's just like 30 minutes ago the rain stopped raining. You see the situation here is a swampy area, so you can see the situation how it is. You see, guys, even we are struggling. So let me pass here. I'm not passing that because I've not wear the gumboots. So let me pass this way. So guys, we have difficult time when the lane is lane here, because we understand sorry, you understand that the swampy area, how the station is after raining. You see guys, see now how the station it is. You see, it is unwanted load. You see, really unwanted. You see, so my good people, as I can show you, this is the small bridge, I might call it local bridge. As you can see, we are using this one, crossing this. Yeah, as you can see, water is there, so we are using this crossing here. You must be careful while passing here. This is a small bridge, must be very careful while passing here. You see, be very careful while passing here. Let me show you the way load it is here. Wow. And you guys, you may wonder, people passing here are passing this way. And then maybe for those who have not noticed, I've already changed my name from J People to Father J. So IG, YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and also my TikTok, I'm J People. I'm not J People by now. As we are talking, I'm Father J, because the father does the known name, so I decided to use that name, Father J, to all my social medias. You can find me as Father J. So sorry for interruption, sorry for that convenience, so just bear with me guys. Okay guys, I'm sorry for that interruption of changing my name from J People to Father J. There was a big interruption, or I was finding it was giving some people, all my audience, difficult times of for just searching my name and find that is another one who is there. So that's why I decided to change the name from J People to Father J, because not known, mostly known. That's why you just bear with me. That's why I changed my name, so that it can be easy for some audience or for some people to get me very easy way. Thank you.